The fifth step in the risk assessment process is product risk, which examines the potential flow of funds both into and out of certain products and assesses the potential for certain products being used to facilitate money laundering offences, and includes a higher risk flag indicator based on products which are known to be inherently more risky from a money laundering and terrorism financing risk perspective than others. The AML Accelerate platform contains a library of over 100 different products and services, based on over 30 financial and non-financial industry sectors, and requires you to assess the risks of the product or service being used to facilitate money laundering or terrorism financing offences by asking a series of questions related to the characteristics for depositing funds into a product, which is known as the placement phase of the money laundering process, as well as for withdrawing funds out of the product and back into the financial system, which is known as the integration phase of the money laundering process. The product risk factors that are assessed include whether the product allows funds to be transferred in or out anonymously, the methods of deposit or withdrawal, whether funds can be deposited or withdrawn by third parties that are not associated with the account, whether funds can be deposited or withdrawn remotely, for example via the internet, or whether funds can be accepted or sent to a foreign jurisdiction. There are other product-related risk attributes that represent higher risks, including whether early or overpayments can be paid over and above minimum repayment requirements, and whether redraw facilities are available, as well as whether products allow deposits or withdrawals to be made in cash or cash-equivalent instruments, such as checks, which are typically considered to be higher risk than more traceable means of making trades, transactions, or transfers.